Looking for reliable bathtub installation and replacement in Strathcona County? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand the importance of having a beautiful, functional bathtub that lasts. Our expert bathtub installation and replacement services provide homeowners with the quality they deserve. Whether you're upgrading an outdated tub or replacing one that's seen better days, we ensure a smooth and efficient process from start to finish. In Strathcona County, we know that every home is unique and the local plumbing challenges require a tailored approach. That's why we specialize in solutions designed just for you. Whether you're in Sherwood Park or Fort Saskatchewan, we've got you covered. Kingstree Plumbing is your trusted local expert with years of experience and a commitment to exceptional service. We offer transparent pricing, no hidden fees, and guaranteed satisfaction. Ready to upgrade your bathtub? Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the top choice for bathtub installation and replacement in Strathcona County.